Congratulations traders, we have made advancement to the trading system that we are using. We have came up with the mobile trading alerts on MetaTrader 4, as well as you will be getting the alerts on your laptop screen as well on your MT4. So this is programmed very nicely, and you will be able to get the signals both on your mobile phone and as well as on here on the MetaTrader 4 as well. For example, if I switch my chart, then you can see I received a signal here, but this is the previous signal. So coming back to 15-minute again. So if we talk about the signal right now, so we do not have any signal. So when it will appear, the arrow will appear, then you will receive a signal on your mobile phone as well as on your MetaTrader 4 as well. Okay, so this is a very good advancement. Like I just received another signal. That's because I switched my chart. So you need to wait for the market to get a signal. Like if we talk about the USD JPY, the previous signal that was appeared was the buy signal, and you can see the market went up. So guys, it will be giving so many signals, so make sure that you should use this trading system with the trends. For example, if I make the trend line here, and you can see the market is going up, so buying is very good for that opportunity. So it's good that you take buy positions, and it's not a very good option that if you sell this pair, because it will be going against the trend. So for example, guys, if you are not at home and your laptop is connected to your account that is also signed in through your MetaTrader 4 on mobile as well, so it means that there is no need to sit in front of laptop all the time. For example, now you know that USD JPY 15-minute trend is going up, and you can also check this thing from your mobile phone as well. And later on, let's say like we have received a buy signal in the afternoon, and then swiftly the market went up. So if you receive any signal that is following the trends, so you can simply trade it this way. And going to the other signals like USD Canadian dollar, bit slow here. So let me show you here. That is the signal that I have given in my Telegram group today. So I received a sell signal today on gold, and then it was a very good signal, and the market already dropped. And that was a nice signal, because if we make the overall trend here on the gold, then you can see that the gold is basically going into the downward direction. That is why I have thrown this signal into my Telegram group as well. So overall, a very excellent indicator. If you use it with the trends, you can catch a maximum profit. You can see the market is going down on Euro USD. A buy signal was appeared for the short time, and then later on again it has given a sell signal, and you can see Euro USD is dragged down. So guys, so once you will get a arrow here, then you will also be notified on your mobile phone. If you are connected to internet, then definitely you will be getting the signals directly on your cell phone, and that's a very good update for those subscribers who cannot sit in front of their laptops all the time. They are doing jobs, and they are working somewhere else, so they are not able to make money from forex trading because they cannot sit in front of laptop. They do not have the time. So this is your time saving machine. So guys, if you want to get this system, then you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. you can contact me on Telegram as well, and you can also contact me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description of the video. So guys, here is the example that how you will be getting the signals that it will explain to you. So you can see that it will telling you 15-minute Euro New Zealand. So this is the way you will be getting the signals on your MetaTrader 4, and also the same alert will be appeared here. So guys, we are also working on it more, and if there will be any update in future, then definitely you will also get that update as well. So so guys, do not waste your time. So hopefully this is a very good version that we have launched today. Trading with a trend is very important. So if you trade with the trends, you can definitely catch a very good number of profits from the forex market. So if you want to get this, make sure that you can email, you can contact on Telegram, and you can contact on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description of this video below. Thank you for watching the video. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone.